Too many of you are making this website mistake, and guess what? It has nothing to do with a website at all. It's a super simple thing that you should make sure you do after you launch your website. If you have your website up and running, you've never done this, you got to do it. So let me show you. Again, we'll go back to what a consumer experience is. So if I am looking for a hair salon, great. I'm going to type in hair salon near me. I'm going to be in Google Maps, or I'm going to be right in search, and search is going to bring me to Google Maps anyway, or I'm just already on my phone. Then I'm going to look at businesses, and here's one. Okay, well, it looks pretty nice inside. It's not too far from me. They don't have many reviews. There's not much that they did with their Google business profile. Maybe they've still got a chance to get me as a customer, because I might think, well, that's a close one. Let me check out their website, and boom, it brings me to Facebook, which I'm not even logged in for. So linking to Facebook is not good enough, because you may or may not have your customer logged in on that device, and now I can't even access or see their Facebook page. What should they have done? They need to go to their Google business profile, and they need to link their website or their customers. After you complete your website, make sure it's linked on all the directories and things where people might be going to find your website and want to find information to buy from you. That's a website tip for today. Catch me in the next video. If you're not familiar with Mighty Local, we build websites for local businesses that help get you found and attract more customers.